What is going on, my beautiful dolls and divas? It's time for hair model content. My girl is here. We are ready to slay and create some content. She gave me some Chick-fil-A. Ow. So we always going to go ahead and assess her hair, see what is going on. Her area of concern is in the front. And I met this beautiful content model at the Bold class here in Atlanta, Georgia. Shout out to the hair diagram. Anytime I go to a class, I like to get right into it. So if you're interested in getting a promotional rate and you're the ATL DMV area when I stop through, hey, hit your girl up. I love to be able to showcase the whole entire process without having to conceal the identity. So that's why we are creating this version of, clientele. So right now we went ahead and used that HD ball cap. I was already good with lace. I just was rushing the process. Okay, you cannot rush the lace. So we right now are doing the edges. We all know that that is the part that always lifts up. So we're using the hair diagram tape on both sides, and we are doing a little instructional conversation as well. And I'm trying to make sure I stay out of the camera. How I'm doing? I'm doing good, right? I got the music flowing. I was trying to see, was I going to go ahead and vid. I did not see the room for it. She has a little oval face, little small little area, so it wouldn't fit there. And I'm just putting that there before we go ahead and add that bow hold active. And you know how to do it. We use the liquid gold on the cap, and it's not white. It was because of my hands, y'all. My fingers. Manipulating, okay? And I like to be a plus in everything I do. Look at me fighting with this daggone. We gonna get there. So I'm adding the other piece of tape so I won't freaking put my fingers on it, you know? And I use tweezers. So you're gonna see me try to get down and gully like they was in the class. And child, I don't think I could do the assignment. I was like, okay, I'm gonna put this on the skin. Oh, yeah, I remember they use their fingers. Yeah, I can't do it. I'm a little bougetto. I just, even though my hands are clean, I just am not. I don't like it on my fingers. I don't like it. I don't like glue touching stuff. But I have to do it when I do hair loss. So, dealing with frontal fibrosis, areas of concern in the front is very sparse. So I thought she was a perfect candidate. A lot of times you see traction frontal hair loss, but her hair loss is smooth. It's no follicle. It's CCCA, baby. So it's so much easier to apply that frontal on this canvas. And when we was at the class, we was sitting beside each other. I said, hey, what you doing? Come through. And that's how we met up. You know, I'm a social butterfly when I want to be. So I like people and I like connecting with individuals. So we had a good fun time. If you're like, I like your shirt, Taneasha, I got that off Fashion Nova. You know, we're black every day. And see right here, I normally we be touching. You just place it. Thank you so much for those details. For some reason, watching videos take me too long. When I see it in person, I can ask my 1-2 questions. I see it. Boom, I got it. And we just tied that daggone headband around. Did that little cool setting. Scoot, scoot, scoot. This right here is something I just go ahead and do when I do my extensions. If you don't know, now you know. Blow dry that baby. I sprayed a little bit of water so we ain't making too much friction and static. And I'm blow drying it in. Just a little mist to make my flat iron process a lot more easier. This is probably 24, 26 inches. Couldn't get it all in the camera, and you can see close up. So here I am struggling, trying to make sure my elbows, you still see my elbow, right? I could use some cocoa butter. But anyway, don't talk about me. I'm trying to go ahead and flat iron this with my Babyliss. I'm going to always be a Babyliss girl. You know, I know other stuff came out. But if it's not a Marcel turning, I can't play with it. Look, this is the real face, right, B? This is why I like the hair content models. I love my dolls too. That's a little shy, and I'm thankful and grateful for the images. But I be wanting this right here. I be need y'all to see what I be seeing without me blurring out the face. Look at her, like I'm cute. Okay, shit, that baby throw in the bag, honey. We giving you real illusions, okay? I wanted to showcase that installation without having that daggone, baby hairs. Nothing wrong with baby hairs, but we ain't got disguise or nothing. I'm gonna get a little closer, a little even more closer. And yeah, I'm happy with this installation. How y'all doing? Y'all like it? Make sure y'all tune in for next week. We was all smiles and giggles, positive energy. Thanks for watching. Ow.